You're a Peterbilt driving, air horn honking, convoy listening truck driver. You worry about the clearance of that bridge ahead, but you don't need to spend your hours on the road worrying about whether you'll get that dreaded letter. The Texas Department of Public Safety, DPS, sends all CDL suspension notices by mail, and they are every trucker's nightmare because losing your license means losing your job. Losing your job means losing your way of life. When DPS sends their notice of intent to suspend your CDL, that is their notification to you that unless you take action, then they are going to suspend your license. It is very important for you to take action because then at least you have a chance to be heard. To be heard, the very first thing you want to do is request a hearing. This hearing may take place before an administrative law judge, or it could be transferred to one of your local justices of the peace. Requesting this hearing isn't a surefire way to save your license, but that will at least give you a fighting chance if DPS has made a mistake. Sometimes DPS makes mistakes. Your attorney can go over your case with you and determine whether there is a factual or procedural basis to contest the proposed suspension of your license. The Texas Transportation Code provides a laundry list of violations for which your license could be suspended. But the most confusing is the provision that allows suspension for, quote, 2 serious traffic violations within a 3-year period. These serious traffic violations may have just been traffic tickets that you were only worried about paying the price of the fine, such as following too closely, improper lane change, reckless driving, or speeding. Since you probably got these tickets out of state, you didn't think much about them at the time, and you probably just paid the fines. The problem with sending in the fine is that it amounts to a plea of guilty and is a conviction on your record. When you receive such a ticket, you should consult with your attorney to see if there's any way to resolve that ticket without it resulting in that conviction. That way it doesn't stick on your record. Ultimately, the short answer to prevent getting the letter is to avoid getting any traffic citations. If you do get traffic citations, you have to fight them individually because fighting them at your suspension hearing might be too late. If you know a trucker out there on the road, you can share this video with them simply by clicking on the share button down below. If you found this video helpful, you can help us grow simply by subscribing to our channel. Be sure to check out some of our other videos, and don't forget that we post new videos bi-weekly on Thursdays. From all of us here at Matthew Harris Law, we appreciate you watching.